Hello friends, today we are going to solve sixth problem of LeetCode, which is zigzag conversion. In this we will be given a string and we have to create a zigzag pattern, and then we will have to return a string row by row. Okay, so input will be a string and the number of rows. In the example, if we see, the input is this: PayPal is hiring. So if the number of rows 3, so let's look in how it will convert it into zigzag form. So first character, then it has 3 rows, so second character, then third character, then we go up onto up directions. So it will be PayPal, then we can write it here or here. So create a zigzag pattern, we will write it here, then downside people is, then upside, then downside, then upside, then downside. So now we have to return the string row by row. So it will be PAHN APLSIIG then YIR. So this also can be written in this form. Okay, and then we can join all these rows like this. So each row will be joined here. So our result will be like this. To solve this problem, what we will do, like we will create an array of how many number of rows we have. We will be given, like if we given 2 rows, then we will create a list of 2 blank list of array with 2 blank strings. Okay, now we will look through the string PayPal is hiring, and we will append character up, then go down, then we will go up direction, then we will go direction, low direction, then go up direction, then low direction. So we will append something like, first we will append P into this, then Y will be downside, then A will be downside, then Y upside, then P downside, then A upside, then L downside, then I upside, then S downside, H upside, then I downside, then upside direction. As we reach the bottoms of it, so we are going up and down, then up direction, then down direction. So then we will join both two strings by looping through each of the element by index. Then we will join this and we will join this. So our result string is this one. Okay, so we will use this approach to solve this problem. So now if we check, the input will be any number of rows. So we'll assume if the number of rows is 1, so there will be no zigzag pattern. So we'll return the string as it is. So we'll check that condition first. Num rows equals to 1. Then we will return as it is. Now we will create a blank string array of number of rows. So we will create a blank string array. Range of rows. Okay, now we will do a loop on and we will append the variables. So current row will be, starting row will be 0. So we'll do, we will increase. Now our return will be dot rows. Now to track in which direction we have to go, we have to create one variable. So we can do, we have to increase the row variable by 1. Okay, so we have to keep the track of the direction. So we'll create the direction variable which will use to go up and down direction. So minus will be, so we'll check if row is 0 or row is equals to num rows of -1, then we have to switch the direction. So we will switch the direction. So we'll switch the direction. Now we'll add the direction, because direction is always 1, either is -1 or +1. So we'll change the value of row in that way. So let's run this and see what's the result. Okay, now in this you can see the input is 3 rows and the string. Our output is this. Now let's run this on the test cases. Yeah, you can see this is a very good amount of speed, and with the less amount of memory we are utilizing. So if you see, we are using only O and complexity for the space and time. So yeah, this is our solution.